Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID on Telegram. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through step by step. So let's get started. Open Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Search for the bot. Now, in the search bar at the top, type UserinFobit. It's a bot that provides your Telegram user ID. Once you see it, tap on it to open. Next, press Start at the bottom of the screen. The bot will immediately send you a message with your user information, including your Telegram user ID. In the message sent by the bot, you will see your user ID. It's a unique number associated with your account. This is useful for certain apps and services that ask for your Telegram ID. And that's it. You've successfully found your Telegram user ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.